Jamaicans heading to the United States and Canada reportedly signed a waiver freeing the government of any liability if they become infected with COVID-19 in order to travel and earn an income. Some farm workers preferred to remain until the pandemic is over. Cyril Williams is one of those persons.
The government give you a opportunity to go there and you can sign that if anything happens, you're on your own. I don't like the party. A hearty man, you live here. And you go there and you get sick. After you get sick, then the response for you, that's not that fair. Because you don't take a sick man in there.
At present, countries such as the United States and Canada are still struggling to contain COVID-19. There are plans in place to reopen some businesses, but the public is being advised to observe social distancing measures in place. Cyril says workers can pull through the crisis.
I appealing to all farm workers, just like myself, America and Canada. When you go to board that airline, board it with a plan. When you're coming back with a plan. Because if you don't come back with a plan, you can phone one down the road. It is rough. And if it is rough, you consider about the roughness. Because if you don't consider about it, you can blame the government. You're not going to blame yourself, you're going to blame the government.
Today, I traveled to St. Anne, where I visited two of our quarantine and isolation facilities, the Jewel's Paradise Cove and the Bay Principe Hotel, one hosting 120 persons, another 350. I wanted to speak to management to see what is happening on the ground. There have been some complaints, so I wanted to get some further details on the source of the concerns by those who are staying here, and to decide how we can alleviate or address some of the issues. Some of the concerns including, meal preparation, timeliness of delivery, but some of those concerns too are born out of the frustration that persons have to be isolated or quarantined when they're really not accustomed to it. And it does affect their psychological state, their state of mind, which is very understandable. I think that there are some measures that have to be taken to correct some of those issues, and some of the decisions we took today include increasing the staff numbers so persons can be dedicated to meal serving, laundry, including some lines that persons can call to get counseling or to answer queries, and also some workout sessions that can be done where persons remain on their balconies in the quadrangle, just to give them some activities so that they can overcome the boredom and the depression of just being isolated for an extended period of time. So I think it will get better, and we're going to work on it over the next couple of days. But it was a good day for me to see and listen firsthand, both to management, but also some of the persons who are staying here. I had lengthy discussions with them, and they had the opportunity to express themselves. And the Ministry of Health, working with the JDF and other stakeholders, continue to be committed to the process. One of the solutions is going to have to be to expand the numbers, and the government has taken that decision already. We are in that process now. But living with COVID is going to mean a new norm. It's going to mean new arrangements, new standards of engagement, and from a public health perspective, it's going to mean greater responsibilities or greater burden on the system, which is going to mean hiring more people, training more people in particular areas, and deploying more people. As of now, we have not done that yet. So the system is coping, which was already stressed, under new arrangements and new circumstances, which is a big challenge. So it was important to come and see and to listen. Over 200 persons came in yesterday, and there were some issues with processing, some logistics hiccups, and that has contributed to some of this disaffection. But I think we're working on it, and we will overcome.
Seniors, tonight is for you. Tonight we honor 12 years of your hard work, the studying, the tests, early mornings, and late nights. And we honor everyone who got you here, your friends, your family, your community. Class of 2020, this is for you. Every student you see, the videos in our show, the pictures you see around me now, are all part of your graduation class and sent in by you guys. Before we get to the show, there's something I want to say to each of you. Thank you. You should have had a real graduation, I know. You should have had an incredible senior year, I know that as well. But you made a sacrifice, and you did that to keep your community safe and healthy. On behalf of all of us, thank you. There is no doubt in my mind that the class of 2020 is going to be something really special. After all this, you guys are prepared for anything. So celebrate, be proud. Tonight is for you. We are all ready for the class of 2020 to change the world. Congratulations.